So, just have a few words to say thank you to the BKIM team for the support you've given us. Mother Margaret, we really appreciate you for the support you've given us as Tinganga family. And kwa students, hi. Si mna to drink, sema mna to drink. Ai, sisi mna to drink. Yes, so mi nataka kuacha na vitu tatu. So number 1, sema mindset, skill set, na tool set. Mindset, skill set, na tool set. Sawa? Tuseme mbio mbio, mindset, tool set, na skill set. So mindset, how you handle your clients, how you interpret the community, vile una maneuver over the community to get opportunity. Ni sawa? Sema skill set. Skill set, BKIM wamewapea the skills to do the actual work of beauty. Kuna watu walikuja kunitengeneza nails, sikumbuki ni nani, but I really appreciate. So hiyo ni skill set, and people pay a lot of money kutengenezwa nails, makucha, massage and all that. So you have skill set. Tool set, tumeweka Dumberi na Tinganga and building networks, ndio? So tunasemanga uwezi achieve ukiwa peke yako sana, but the connection you make with your partners, with the different teams, ndio you'll be able to come up with resources, build even opportunity for other girls. So usingoje kuenda kutafuta opportunity, but create for your own opportunity, na you'll be able to do a lot. Sindio? Sema mindset, tool set, na skill set. Sawa? So thank you. Na wazazi, tuna appreciate the support you've given us. For your girls, wamekuwa wazuri sana, and we wish them all the best as they go out there in the world. So thank you, and have a good day.